Beautiful bullish seen across crude oil and net gas yesterday, precisely bouncing back from the support levels at 69.7, and specifically crude oil has achieved 71.8, the resistance level. Now, what to expect? Will it breach past 72 and head to 73.5, or is it going to drop from here? And likewise, net gas has seen close to $2.5, the next resistance. I hope you all profited. What to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis. The second update will be released before the US session. Do watch that. Also you can remain updated by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now see why 71.8 is important. You can see this. This is a virtual resistance which is formed here, multiple candles getting rejected at 71.8, 72. Hence, yes, if again you see crude oil trading above 72, you can stay long for 72.4, 73.5 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit. Now, also if you look at what has happened here, see the drop here, retracement, higher lows, again trying to retrace. So this time if it breaks past 73.5, 74, you can expect that it is heading for 76, 78, in fact 80 levels in the near future. Right now it is trying to retrace a little, forming the bottom. Also remember, it has come out of this bearish channel. Just let it stay above 71.8 or 72 levels. We can assure of a rise from. Now if you look at hourly charts more closely, see the rise, retracement, the rise, higher highs. Now trying to retrace. Now see this 71.4 levels, very good support, and then 71 levels, to very good support levels. And hence if you see it trading below 71.2, you can sell, but then below 71.2 you can expect 71, and then below 71 we can expect further bearishness. Now see 71, 71.2 and 69.8, apologies, 70.8. So this zone between 70.8 to 71.2 is going to remain a critical zone for the today. If it drops below 70.8, you can expect further drop which can take it till towards 70.5 and 70 levels. Also if you look at the hourly charts, higher lows are consistently seen, which means on the downside it is getting very good support. Now see, stochastic is overbought. MACD has seen a little divergence. It is trading green. RSI is also trading very near to the overbought levels. If you look at the 2-hour, now looking at the 2-hour charts, again see 71.8, 74 levels first resistance, and here 71.8, 72 the next resistance level. Also if you look at the charts here on the 2-hour, you will find, see it was trading in this bearish channel, it is retraced. Now if it draws below 70, then only further bearishness can be expected, as in all probability it can try to breach past 72 and trade bullish from there. The stochastic near to overbought. MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, still bullish. Candles are almost flat. RSI is also almost flat. Now look at 3-hour charts. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, just wait for it to stay above 71.8 and 72. More bullishness definitely will take it further. Highs for 72.4, 73.5 and in fact 74 levels again. Stochastic overbought. MACD divergent and bullish. It is looking upwards, and you can see this. This is the second wave here. Probably it can try to achieve the highs of this channel. RSI has seen a reversal. It has come out of the oversold zone. Likewise on the 4-hour charts also you must observe higher lows, higher highs, and this zone is important for it on the upside. So on the downside 69.8, 71.2, this is the level where, 70.8, 71.2, this is the level where it is going to get maximum support, and if it draws below 70.8, then you can expect that the bearishness is going to prevail today, and we might see it dropping till towards 70.5, 70 levels. Stochastic is overbought on the 4-hour charts. MACD has crossed over again, trading with divergence and looking upwards, looking bullish. RSI almost flat. And if you look at the daily chart, now see the classical move here in oil there, see the good drop there, and since then it is just trading in this bearish channel. And actually previously also it was trading in this channel. This is just one breakout which was seen here for a couple of days. Now it is trying to retrace a little on the upside, and any move above 74 should be considered as a reversal. Now why this could be possible, you can see this higher lows here. This time also higher lows at 69.4 and it is retraced. Now the second candle on this chart is yet to start, and if you see it trading above 72, it can try to bring more bullishness there for 73, 73.5 and in fact 74 levels. Breaking beyond 74, more bullishness is going to be seen there, and hence yes, stay long above 71.8. That is what you can do. Now see, the stochastic here was oversold on the daily charts and we have seen a good recovery. The MACD is also willing to converge crossover, and see this is happening at a bottom levels. You can see oil at these levels certainly tries to form a support and tries to bounce back. RSI also looking upwards. Considering this, you can buy her at 71.8 and 72 zone, and then you can expect 72.4, 73, 73.5 and then 74 levels as the next targets. You can keep booking and keep re-entering. You can say that it is still bullish and I will expect it to rise more. At the same time, any drop below 71.2, you can take a sell entry at 71.2. Expect a greater support till 70.8, and if it drops below 70.8, you can expect 70.5, 70, and then below that a greater fall will take it below 69.4 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Now let's have a look at net gas. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 22nd batch starts on 1st of June. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel, trading as per the signals. Definitely you can benefit. Now look at the hourly charts for net gas. See, good breakout and then this bullish channel. 2.5, close to 2.5, it is done and it is still very much bullish. A sell entry, you can see this, it has always tried to converge till towards 20 period average and held still 2.4 to 2.4 levels. I will not consider this as bearish. Only and only if it breaks below 2.4, we can say it as bearish. Else, right now if you look at, see, it is still trading bullish. 2.5 is the next support here. Any break below 2.5, you can take a sell entry. However, 2.4 to 2.4 levels are going to be a very, very good support for net gas. The stochastic is oversold. Now see, the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence. This is bearish. This is looking downwards and hence a little retracement cannot be denied. But then 2.4 levels certainly should be a rescue point. RSI was overbought. It has come out of the overbought zone. If you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also, this is trading bullish. On the 2-hour charts, possibility for it to converge till 2.4 exists. Now see, the 20 period moving averages are trading with divergence. It can possibly converge till here. Stochastic overbought, looking down. MACD trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI is also overbought. And if you look at 3-hour, similarly on the 3-hour charts, 2.4 levels, certainly 2.4, 2.38, very, very good support. The stochastic is overbought too. The MACD is in green trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI is also overbought. And on the 4-hour charts, see, one point is clear that yes, it may try to retrace a little. You can sell here at 2.45, 2.4 to 2.4, 2.38, 2.35 till 2.35. The possibility of it to retrace exists. It can consolidate there and then possibility of it to rise again exists there. The stochastic on the 4-hour charts is also overbought. MACD is bullish. RSI is also overbought. And if you look at the daily, now look at the daily charts. 2.5 certainly a greater resistance. First point, you can see this multiple candles getting rejected from 2.5. Second point, this time we have seen higher lows and it is reversed from the highs. You can see bottom there. Now it is looking forward to a bullish channel retracement, breaking beyond 2.5 and 2.6 zone. Definitely we can see a very, very strong bullish move, and this time I will be looking forward to 2.8 and $3 levels. Stochastic is still looking up. The MACD has diverged here. It is trying to trade bullish. RSI is also looking up first and staying bullish here. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2.5 and sell here at 2.45 levels. Selling at 2.45, remember the fact, I am still not bearish in net gas. Rather, those who wants to trade net gas should buy the dip. That is also clear. But if you want to take the advantage of the drop, you can sell here at 2.45. Expect 2.42, 2.4, 2.38, 2.35 levels. Till 2.35, very, very strong support exists. And only if it drops below 2.35, we can say that it is trying to trade bearish. Else, we can I am still looking forward to a greater rise in natural gas. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signal channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.